This is a regular chronograph operation. You can start and stop and reset. This is a flyback chronograph operation. By just pushing the lower button, it'll reset, start ticking. Reset, start ticking. It resets 1 second after, which accounts for the sweep time. Bang. Perfect. You also have a 1 minute counter hidden behind the main chronograph seconds hand. So that has roughly elapsed 20 seconds right there. You hit this button again, it catches up. I can then do flyback. Noticed how it didn't jump to 1/2 second. It didn't jump to 1 second after. It stopped right on the top tick mark. It's pretty smart. And I can do this again. This allows you to time other increments within 1 minute. And I can stop everything and reset it and fly back. Very interesting watch. I can stop both with the top. Restart.